I'm back. So I'm uh, today basically I have created some interesting or very uh, good animation. So basically I have created some interaction for the mood, how you are going to create the define your mood today in the application animation. So basically I have created the liquid animation over here, and the slide animation you can create in the Figma. So let me showcase you. I have already created this one for you. So let me play it. So like how it will be going to work. So whenever you hit on it, then it will be expand automatically. You can just drag down, then it will goes back, something like this. Yes. And on the bottom you can see that there's a two moods like happy and angry. So user can easily drag left and drag right. So you can see the liquid animation on the bottom, you know so it will be work very smoothly. So you can whenever you create any mood application or mood or mental health, so where you need to define how is your mood today, so you guys can create this kind of animation over there. So like this, I hope you guys like it, and let me showcase you how I achieve this animation. So I have already created these frames. So let me choose this. Let me copy this one, and I know you guys are designer, then you would be able to design this kind of UI in the application, and then you can start working on the let me showcase you how uh, I created this liquid animation on the bottom. You can see that, and so I just copied the first frame, then I'm just copying the next another one. Let me remove these one, this one, and this one, because I don't require all these elements. And yes, so let me make it bigger, so that whenever user hit on it, it will be expand automatically. I don't require these elements because this is the new separate, this is the separate screen. So that's why I just remove it, all these UI elements. You can remove this one as well, fit into the frame, and I don't require these elements, so these elements as well. So let me remove all these one, and let me make it on the top, and this one I let me make it a little bit bigger. So it's too much. Let me make it like this. It's 359. So you just keep in your mind, so like what is the width of this emoji. And on the bottom, let me copy this frame. So I just created, I just design it, and let me paste it over here, make it center, and the frame color should be black. Yes. And because this is goes into under, I don't require, it should be the outside of the frame. And let me just add it like this. Cool. So how I just animated like that. So you need to keep it on the first frame on the bottom, so that whenever user hit on it, then it will be comes from bottom. So let me create some prototype over here, and it should be on the click, navigate, linear, 300, perfect, fine. Let me see it how it will be going to work. Let me remove this thing because I have already created it. Whenever you see like this, got it. So I have, so how I just go back, so like you guys can see on in the layer, so I have created it some in a different way. So this is my first frame, and this is my second frame where I can put my this one. I don't require this one, emojis, and this one I don't want. And you can see this one, and let me close it. Let me remove it. Okay, cool. And let me go. And so basically how I did create it, so like you can see it. So let me remove it from here. So I just take a circle over here, and you can add the black color, and you can keep it in this section. So like yes, so you can press the shift and oops, sorry, something like this. You can make it okay, cool. Make it center these elements, perfectly fine. You need to just adjust few things. So like it's, let me hold, cool. So I just created it something like this, make it center, okay. And yeah, so this is the frame. Let me go to the next one. I'm just duplicating it, and this one I'm just, not this one, this one I'm just make it pasting the styling same, and this one, cool. You can adjust it accordingly. Let me keep it as this. I just want to showcase you how it will be going to work. So like let me change the color over here, and over here, and I'm just copying it and replacing it. So this is this is 359, okay. So let me make it 359. Now the size is almost similar, these two one. And let me do the prototype over here. So like whenever user hit on it, it will be expand automatically. Whenever user drag it, then it will goes on the right section, and if I drag it, then it will be going on the left sections. We can just add these thing as well. So like whenever user drag it, then it will be good jump on the another one, and if I drag on it, then it will be good. Let me see how it will be going to work. Cool, perfectly fine, but the problem is these the emojis is not come from the outside of the screen. So let me create how it will be going to create. So okay, let me copy this emoji and let me paste over here and keep it outside of the screen. And I'm just reducing the size over here and keep it on the top, and you can just 108. This is the margin, and same goes for same goes for this one. So let me copy this one and add into this emoji, make it outside, reduce the size. Okay, and let me see what is the this one. So like I'm just making on the top. So let me see how it will be going to work. Yes, perfectly fine. You can see on the bottom, that's very important. So this is for the liquid animation, how you are going to use in, even you can use this liquid animation in the bottom navigation on the tab. But because this is the different scenario, that's why I created in on a drag, not on the click. Even you can just something like this. Yes. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. This is the tutorial for liquid animation, how you are going to create. I hope you guys learn fastly. I'm just creating more videos for you so that you guys can easily understand how these animation is going to create in the Figma. It will be help to enhance your product, and I hope your client or stakeholder will be happy. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any question, or if you have any suggestion, please comment on my video so that I can work on that, and I can figure out how I can solve your problem. Please let me know. Thank you.